Question number 2. It letters A to F in the table represent 6 organic compounds. A, methanoic acid, ngishilo ngathi mothola igama, you must have it structure sakhona. Methanoic acid, methanoic acid, pentanal. Oh, 1, 2, 3. This is pentanal. Angisaba faka hydrogen. Nani niyazi unumber B loyo. C is decane. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decane. Number C loyo. Right. Nazi ezinye structure. Now, write down letter or letters. Yeah, I like the question. Letters or letters. The one who do letter or letters. Look at amamark. Imagine letter for each letter. So, monga pona lapa kutwa 2 marks. It must be 2 letters. A ketone. Which one is a ketone or F? Ngoba uC double bond O uphakathi ko carbon ababili. Uphakathi ko carbon. Carbonyl group is between the carbon. Ketone, it's F. 2 compounds that are functional isomers. But the 2 compounds that are functional isomers. 1 mark. Okay, lungile. Siyazi ukuthi aldehyde and ketone are functional isomers. They've got C double bond O but in a different position. So would be no F, B and F, or F and B are iconic ground. As one stadium, B and F, not F and B, would B and F. That represents a hydrocarbon. Even abo carbon no hydrogen kupela, it's number C. That one represents a hydrocarbon. Its structure is no carbon, no hydrogen pair. Number C. I guess 2.2 compound D. Compound D wami unale ampahla. It's a haloalkane. Compound D. Write down the homologous series to which it belongs and pendulile. Number D. It's a haloalkane. Ngoba kune halogen ne alkane. The IUPAC name of compound D. I'm tempted to draw it kahle ngikwazi ukuyichaza kahle ukuze ubone ukuthi isukaphi leyo nto. Let's draw it. Bayenze ngabomu bayibhale bathe CH3 base bethi bonded or base bethi CH2 abangaki o CH2 about 2 base bethi CH ono PR la base bethi CH2 or bonded to CH ono PR laphana base bethi CH2 base bethi CH3. Ake sidwele nje kahle ukuze sikwazi siqaqe kahle. Carbon onabo hydrogen about 3. All right. No CH2, CH or CH wokuqala bawuthula owesibili lo. Mbona? Be careful. Bese siba nalo C ono H kanye nani no PR. There you are. Bese siba no C ono H la no H la o bonded to C ono H la no PR la bese kuba no CH H CH CH CH. All right. Yini kama nale uqala ngakuphi ukubala la uqala khona uchecka the longest carbon chain nansiya I longest carbon chain yonke le carbon chain yonke le longest carbon chain. Right. Uqala ngakuphi ukubala uqala kule carbon ozosheshe ukuthola khona I halogen ngoba it's a haloalkane. So moqala like carbon number 3 there's a PR, la carbon number 4 there's a PR. So uqala ngapho 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yinile, it's 2, it's 3, 5, dibromo, 3, 5 dibromo, the longest carbon chain, it's octane. This is 3, 5 dibromo octane. That even in amaka kona 3. Ngoba bakunikeza i-allowance yokuthi uke uyi-analyze njengoba wenza nje. Njengoba uthatha isikhathi u-analyze uyalithola imakana lapho. So 3, 5 dibromo octane, 3 marks. Siya ku-compound F. Basitshela bathini nge-compound F. Write down the IUPAC name of its positional isomer. Yabona u-compound F. I-position ka C double bond O i-carbon number 2. So igama layo ka compound F sithe yini? It's pentan 2O because in carbon number 2. But now, what about the position? Ungaba yini manje i-positional isomer. Leya position ka C double bond O ingaba ku carbon number 3. So i-positional isomer yayo kunga yini futhi? It's pentan 3O. So the correct answer is pentan 3O. That is positional isomer. What about write down the name of its chain isomer? Chain isomer. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, beso uba nanento. Chain isomer. Okay. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4. The chain manje. I saw the longest chain of carbon about 5, some about 4. So ingaba yini lena na? Chain isomer is 3 methyl butan 2O. Hey, 3 methyl butan 2O. Yeah, leli phepha impela phela belibagadile abantwana bathi belibhala. Alidlali belenze njani na? Libagadile. Alidlali leli. Alifuni umuntu ogadile leli. Uyayigada leli. Liyathula nje. Lithi hayi asibone. Now 2.4 write down during the reaction of compound A and E. I guess even compound A and E or A methanoic acid E E246 it's all methanoic acid or mogu reactor OA methanoic acid no hexanol plus hexanol, that is hexan 1-ol 1 hexanol, that is number E. Mogu reactor yona sesiyazi manilena u-ester esterification ya bazobuza yona bayishi ester man. For organic products for the organic product form, write down, or in the presence of acid catalyst, 2 products are formed. Yes. Write down the IUPAC name from hexanol, hexan 1-ol and methanoic acid. It's hexyl methanoate. The IUPAC name is hexyl methanoate. Hexyl methanoate. The structural formula of its functional group. The structural formula of its functional group. Functional. So you have, you can have this methanoate, then you have hexyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hydrogen napana. Then you show ukuthi ipi functional group yakhona nansiya, it's there you are. So you show ukuthi that is the structural formula of its functional group. But let's turn over. Hey, 19 marks. Hayi kuyafiwa la. Kuyafiwa la. The compound reacts with high temperature and pressure to form 3 carbon alkene P and alkane Q. 3 carbon alkene 3. Okay. Kusho ukuthi ile process lena bengisazoyichaza mase kodwa ake sibone ukuthi singayirobha kanjani. We have C10H22 after cracking, after high temperature and pressure, we have to form 3 carbon alkene P. 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. Alkene, yes. The alkene carbon about 3. Yes, we have this 3 carbon alkene and Q alkane. Alkane 7, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kumele o hydrogen babe u16 na. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, correct. Ihamba kahle menjena 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Hayi ibalansile injalo. Write down the type of reaction that takes place. Sibiza sithi it's cracking, polymerization. The molecular formula of compound Q, nansi from compound Q sengibhalile, that is a molecular formula, not structural formula. Molecular formula. O carbon bangaki 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. O carbon about 7. No hydrogen about 14 plus 2, 16. So that is the molecular formula of compound Q. Structural formula of compound P, nansi structural formula of compound P. So this is how it goes. 19 marks. Sesiqedile ke ko 19 marks. Asibone question number 4. Oh.